The Husqvarna 450S Rancher chainsaw delivers strong cutting power from its 50.2 cubic centimeter engine, making it well suited for demanding firewood, storm cleanup, and property maintenance work. Its 20-inch bar strikes a practical balance between reach and control, allowing confident felling of medium trees while still feeling manageable for extended use. Starting is notably straightforward thanks to the Smart Start system and air purge design, so cold or warm restarts rarely turn into a wrestling match with the pull cord. Vibration damping and an ergonomic rear handle make the saw more comfortable to control, which is especially noticeable during long cutting sessions. The automatic oiler and side-mounted chain tensioner simplify routine upkeep, helping the chain stay properly lubricated and correctly adjusted in the field. Air injection technology keeps dust and chips away from the air filter, which helps the engine run cleaner and reduces how often you need to open it up for maintenance.